Good afternoon from the Thoughtful Gardener. I wanted to show you my little tiny forest. Last year during COVID, one of the ways that I dealt with COVID was to come out here and hack at invasives. What are invasive? Garlic, mustard, different kinds of vines. We have porcelain berry and we have multiflora rose. But I just want to show you 1 year later how many native ephemerals are now filling the space where these invasives used to be. So remove it and they will move in. Lynx is going to show you a little bit about what we have had come in. So we have some spring beauty. We also have some violets, some trout lilies, spice bush. This is some really beautiful May apples. But that's what research says. Tons of spice bush this year and thousands upon thousands of native wildflowers. Now there's still some garlic mustard in there. There's still some multiflora rose. I got a bunch of it over there that I got to still deal with. But I'm just telling you, if you have woodlands, do yourself a favor this season and pull out these invasives. The garlic mustard especially is allelopathic, which means it has a chemical that it releases that prevents other things from growing. Isn't that wonderful? So this is just a delight to see all that hard work last year. I literally just piled it up, made a brush pile for our birds. I have seen a bunch of native bees back here today. But it's so fun to see all of these fantastic spring ephemerals popping up everywhere. And here's some dogtooth lily. So, some hard work. Definitely some scratches. There's my pile from last year. But it's just a delight to see thousands upon thousands of wildflowers emerging. What's growing in your garden today? Definitely take a video or picture and share it with us. We'd love to see what you're up to. I hope you guys are having a great day. Garden thoughtfully.